Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be demonstrating yet another different project. It's on cold box, an IoT based cold box. So the purpose of the gadget is to store medicine. If you're traveling, maybe you need to carry some very critical medicine which needs a temperature below 1 degree. So the device can support such a thing. It's based on one input sensor, which is the temperature sensor. It's a DH22 temperature sensor. Okay, and a Wi-Fi module which you can pair it with your phone. Arduino, the microprocessor. A relay for switching off the two fans. So it has two channels connected to the system. So two fans for making the inside of the gadget cold. So I'll be powering the system and showing you how it works. So the system will always turn the fans on if the temperature doesn't reach from in either 5 and below degrees. That is from 5 all the way back negatives for storage of the medicine. That's the requirement. It's quite a pretty project. So I'll power the gadget. So once I'll power, the sensor will collect data from the surrounding, and when it notices that the temperature is above 5, it will activate the fans, which will start cooling the inner part. So connecting the device with the phone is you'll use a Wi-Fi module, which will give its access to your Wi-Fi or your router maybe, or your phone Wi-Fi's password, which will change on the code. So once it's connected to the web, you'll get the temperature reading through your phone. I think that's how it works. And thank you for watching the video. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and comment. Thank you.